Suppose Raviraj sir is the principal of BCI department and MCA department. So he can access the BCA and MCA department. So his scope is global. Then Akshay sir is the only staff of MCA department. So he can access the MCA department. He cannot access the BCA department. So its scope is local. Then after Charlie madam is a staff of BCA department as well as visiting staff of MCA department. So she can access the BCA department is local and MCA department is access the global. Did you got it?
Yes.
Yes. Global variable. Local variable are always declared in outside the function. It is used on entire subprogram. Syntax. Variable name is equal to variable name. When we declare variable, that time use variable name and assign operator, and then after assign the value. Value is the Raviraj sir, is a string type of value. Then after create a one function. When we create a function, that time use the get keyword and function name. Function name is MCA parent bracket are compulsory and colon are define the proper indentation. And other language is to use the curly braces. Then after print one message, MCA staff name and this variable are used on here and print the variable. Then after create another function. Function name is BCA, print the message, BCA staff name and print the variable. Then after call the both function, MCA and BCA. Local variable are used on outside the function. So print here, BCA and MCA staff name and print the name. Out. When MCA function calls, that time this part are execute. So print the message, MCA staff name, Raviraj. Then after BCA function call and print the message, BCA staff name, Raviraj. Then after this line are executed, print the message, BCA and MCA staff name, Raviraj. Other example of global variable. Addition of two variables using one global variable. So create one global variable. Variable name is A and assign the value is 5. Then after create a one function. Function name is J and a function when we declare function that use the def keyword. Then after function name is sum. Then it's bracket and colon are replacing the proper image and create one local variable. Variable name is D and assign the value is 10. Then after print expression. Print A plus B. So return the addition of two variables. Then after call the function. Function name is sum. And output. When function call, that time execute the this body part. So A is a global variable and assigned into here. Then after B is using here. A has a 5 and B has a 10. So 5 plus 10 is 15. So output is written the 15. Did you got it?
Yes.
Next. Local variable. Local variable are always declared inside the function and it is used on inside the function. It is not used on outside the function. Syntax. Always declaring inside function, so create first function. There, then after function name and colon are replacing the proper indentation and variable name is equal to that. So this variable is local variable. Next. Example of local variable. It is always declaring inside function, so create first function. Function name is MCA and variable name is name and assign the value is Akshay sir. This variable is local variable. Then print the message MCA staff name and print the variable. Then after call the MCA function and create another function. Function name is BCA and print the message BCA staff name and this variable are used on here. Then after this variable are used on outside the function. So print the message BCA and MCA staff name and print the name. Output. When MCA function call, that time this body bar are executed and print the message MCA staff name Akshay sir. Local variable that cannot use on another function. So this function are called that and generate the name. Then after local variable are not used for the outside function. So this line execute that time generate the name. Another example of local variable. Subtraction of two variables. Suppose local user to change the global variable from local scope. When local variable are used on inside, when local variable are used on outside the function, that time use the global keyword. Syntax. Global keyword are always declaring inside the function. Use the inside the function to create the function. Then after use the global keyword and variable name. Here cannot always assign the value. When here assign the value, that can generate the error. So assign value is always in next line. Example of global keyword. First create a one function. Function name is DCA. Then after create the global variable. So use the global keyword and variable name and assign the value is start. Then print the message DCA and NCA start name and print the name variable. Then after call the BCA function. Then after create another function. Function name is NCA and print the message NCA start name and print the variable. Then after outside the function print message. So use the print function MCA and BCA start name and print the name output. When BCA function are called, then time these modifiers are executed and print the message BCA start name terminated. Then after MCA function call and execute the these modifiers, global variable are used on another variable. So print the message MCA start name terminated. Global variable are used on outside the function. So this line execute that time print the message MCA and BCA start name terminated. Recursion. Recursion means function can call itself. Mainly recursion are used on factorial number, Fibonacci series and Tower of Babel. Advantages of recursion. Code are clean and stylish, split the complex tasks and sequence are easily generated. Disadvantage of recursion. Hard to debug and lot of memory and time are occupied. Next. Mainly recursion function are called inside the function and normal function are called outside the function. Factorial number. Factorial number means user enter any number. For example, user enter 3 and until the multiply into 1. So 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So 3 number of factorial is 6. It's called factorial. When we need to user input, that time use the input function. It is always written the string value. But we need to integer type of value. That time convert into integer. So before write the integer and parenthesis. And it store into one variable. Then after create a one function. Function name is fact and pass the one parameter num. Then after check the condition. If num equal 1, then return the 1. Else return num into fact of num minus 1. It's called recursion. This function calls that time it is automatically called the itself. Then after print the message that this function are written argument colon expression. Argument and expression are separated by the colon. Example, lambda, and here two arguments are passed, a and b, and the colon are separate, the expression and argument. Then after a plus b is a expression, so it returns the addition of two variables, and these functions are stored into one variable. Then after t, the message sum is and answer are variable, and pass the two parameters 5 and 10. So 5 are stored into 5, 8 and 10 are stored into b. So 5 plus 10 is 15. So output is written, the sum is 15. Did you got it?
Yes.
Any question for regarding this content? Give the output. Anyone else can give answer. What is the output of this example? Yes.
Apple, fruit. Fruit name is apple. Fruit name is blueberry. And fruit name is blueberry.
Yes. When this line are executed, that time return the output is fruit name is apple. Then after function call, so execute the this body part. And a function name is to store mulberry, so replace the value or change the value. So print the message, fruit name is mulberry. Then after this line are execute and print the message, fruit name is mulberry. Next. One second. How many types of variable and list? Give the syntax of lambda. Lambda arguments colon expression. Susan. When local variable are used in outside the function, that time use the which keyword? Thank you. Thank you for the valuable time. Thank you for the valuable time.